Hello friends, Running Kimono here. If you're in the neighborhood of doing some curbside deals, well, Walgreens is the store to go to. We're looking for curbside deals for the week of May the 25th to the 31st, and we even have a freebie in the mix. What a curbside deal means is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and getting it, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. If you are trying to get a receipt for an IBOTTA offer, you must go to the counter and ask the cashier to process it through a regular register. If you press the button for them to bring it to your car, you will not get a receipt. They will process your order with a handheld Zebra, which is a fancy term for one of those, it's like a scanner in the store. So you actually have to go in the store, go to a register and say, hey, I need a receipt. Could you process this through a regular register? And you should get a receipt. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that likes to be in store, you want to deal with register rewards, you want to see what you're buying, and I hear ya. Watch yesterday's video. I have a bunch of different matchups, including a $40 basket. You might want to check that out. And if you could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, if you could give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Okay, let's get right into it, guys, with deal number one. This first one, we are looking for one of these $19.99. It's called a stem light trap. So basically, you plug it into the wall, and if you have flying mosquitoes or bugs, it gets attached to the back, and they're attached to that. There's some sort of blue light that attracts them. We have a 10 off of 1 digital coupon. You're going to load it, and then just to show you guys, so we are going to put in the code WAG10. See where it says promotion code and coupons? Type in WAG10, $1 off. So that's why doing this curbside is a little bit better. $19.99, subtracting that dollar, we have our tax plus our manufacturer. So the new total now is $10.13. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, if you have it, use it. And then make sure that you get your receipt, because this is where it gets great. IBOTTA has a $10 rebate for this product. So you'll get that receipt, photograph it, and you're basically getting this item completely for free. So how lovely is that? This is a limit of 1 per receipt, but make it happen, especially if you wanted to try out this light. Like, why not try it out for free? Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2. And for this one, we are going to be grabbing 2 of these Vitafusions for $13.99. If you want to go with the men's or the women's gummies, it's a little bit more, but it's on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. And we have a 10 off of 2 digital coupon. I did check the rebate apps. There is no rebates for these, but if you need supplements, maybe this is the week to stock up. And alternatively, you can also get the little kids ones too. To get the math to math for us, we're also going to throw in one of these toilet papers. Alternatively, maybe some cheap candy if you can find it at your store. To show you the code WAG10, taking an additional $1.18 off, and then there's a $10 off manufacturer, 10 off of 2. The overall total for this is $21.77. $1.18 with WAG10, our $10 manufacturer. So the total here is $10.63. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, if you may have it, use it and pay 63 cents. And this is a very reasonable basket. Next deal that we're looking at is deal number 3. And for this one, we are going to have this loaded, which is a buy 2 P&G dental care products, get back $3 in Walgreens cash. I think most of us got that one. So make sure you have it loaded. And for this one, we're going to be grabbing 2 of the $4 scopes, and we have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. This is your friend that you're loading, the 2 off 2 digital. And then if you go over to your IBOTTA, there is a rebate for $1 back on each. So you guessed it, you're going to have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register. So you get that physical paper receipt so you can apply for this, because $2 is nothing to sneeze at right now. Then we're also going to throw in 2 of these Garnier shampoos at $4 a pop. It's on a promotion of buy 2, get $3 back in Walgreens cash. And then we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. I just went with the Fructis. And then just to show you, this is the coupon that you have to load. And then to show you guys our little chorus line of coupons that are coming off. Unfortunately, WAG10 would not apply for me, but maybe you guys might have better luck than I. Okay, so the overall total for this basket is $16, a little bit of tax, $5 of manufacturers melting off. So the total here is $11.96. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. You're getting 3 back for the scope and then 3 back for Garnier. Make sure you get your receipt for an additional $2 back from IBOTTA for that mouth rinse. I keep calling it scope, but you know what I'm talking about, mouth rinse. It makes it like 75 cents per after everything's said and done. So this is a very good basket. With Father's Day right around the corner, a lot of these manufacturers will start giving us very high value coupons for men's stuff. Specialty razors, aftershave, kind of like creams and lotions and potions, and deodorants as well. We're going to be grabbing 2 of these Cremo deodorants at $9.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. Load this 4 off of 1 digital coupon. It's very, very good. And so you're going to get one for $9.99 and then one for $4.99. And I had to throw 2 different deodorants. I guess this isn't a big seller at my store. Over on IBOTTA, they're giving also $3 back on each. So you're going to get an additional $6 back. And I'm not throwing any Fetch Rewards, Fetchtopia stuff in this week because I have a very bad taste in my mouth from some stuff's going on with them where people are not getting their rebates, myself included. So I decided to make the executive choice IBOTTA only for this video this week. And then just to show you guys the coupons coming off and the coupon code WAG10 also working for an additional $10 off. There's nothing wrong about that. $14.98, $10 off with WAG10 with an additional $4 off. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. And then pay 71 cents. Get that receipt and then photograph it for $6 back from IBOTTA. It makes each deodorant about $2, which is a very good price point. Final basket that I have prepared for you is just a hodgepodge of goodness. I'm very excited by this. The first is this scrubbing bubble spray for $4.42. It's called their Easy Clean Multi-Purpose. It's either a spray bottle or this aerosol for $4.42. And we have a $1.50 digital coupon for this product. So make sure you load this because who knows what might pop up with this in the next coming weeks. But I do love scrubbing bubbles. And then we're also going to throw in one of these Mr. Cleans. Original price for this, $7 down to $3.99. Holy smokes, it's expensive. That's one product that's just climbed in price. And then we have this $1 digital. So please make sure, friends, that you have it loaded for extra savings. And then also in our cleaning basket, we're going to throw in Old Faithful, a $5 Scott. We're only going to throw in one for this deal, and then we have a $1 digital that is attaching to our friend. So make sure you have this one loaded. There wasn't one this week for the paper towels, just to let you guys know. I searched this morning. And then we're also going to throw in one of these Febreze small spaces for $3.29. And we have a very generous $2 digital coupon, so I am all about that. Make sure you have this friend loaded. Look at this chorus line. Look, WAG10 is taking off 72 cents. We have the $1 for the Mr. Clean, $2 for Febreze, $1.50 for scrubbing bubbles, $1 for Scott. Take a breath. That's a lot of coupons, and I love to see a big stack like that. The overall total for this is $16.70, 72 cents melting off with WAG10. Free curbside pickup, $5.50 in digitals melting off. So it's $11.44. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay $1.44 for a very sensible and reasonable meat and potatoes kind of basket. In case you want to go shopping in store, watch the video linked right here. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.